So this is my tomato hoard, or whatever you want to call it. This is almost entirely one plant, and it's a volunteer, which means it grew by itself from seeds that were left on the ground from the garden I did a couple years ago. And this one plant is a grape tomato, and I've got several cages supporting it. So indeterminate means it'll grow all over the place, and it is. It's taller almost than I am. It's probably about 10 foot wide. On the perimeter here, I've got some extra tomatoes that I got seeds from my niece. So you can see I put them in tree rings down here. That's about 3 plants. I didn't thin any of this stuff. I probably should have. Well, it'll be interesting to see what kind of tomatoes I get off of these, because they're all pretty packed in there. So there's 4 or 5 different types of other determinate tomatoes, which means they grow to the size of a bush and stop. And they're next to the big indeterminate one. There's another determinate one down there. It's getting kind of crowded, but this indeterminate one's been popping out about 15 to 20 red grape tomatoes every day. And then on the other side here, I also got from my niece some pepper seeds, and this is the biggest pepper plant so far, and it's really starting to crank. There was a red tomato down there I didn't see. Then there's 2 in this tree ring, and these are the habaneros. These are the real screamers. So together we should be getting, besides all these grape tomatoes that my wife eats like crazy, we should be getting some regular tomatoes and some peppers probably in a few weeks or a month. And that's 2 days worth of grape tomatoes. So I pick them even if they're a little bit orange, because they get ripe on the table here. And my wife loves these. And it was a volunteer, yay.